Let's celebrate the spirit of Christmas with this wonderful recipe that I'm going to show you. This is dry fruit Christmas buns. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Dissolve about 7 grams of active dry yeast with 1/4 cup of warm water. For the Christmas buns, first we're going to make the dough. For this, take 500 grams of Maida or all-purpose flour. To this, add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just give it a quick mix. Make a well in the center, add the dissolved yeast. Next, add 1 egg.